coming to a field near you, steamed to perfection. This ain't your ordinary cooking show. These recipes are forged in the field with precision steam and a whole lot of love. That's right. Served hot and flaky and reviewed by the toughest critics in the business. 5 out of 5 stomachs approve. The secret? A little something we call the steamer. Hay, steamer, baler, and a whole lot of know-how. Get ready to serve up the flakiest, leafiest, most mouth-watering hay on the market. Add some steam at the top, about 75%, and on the bottom, about 50%. That's control. We're not just baling hay, we're cooking gourmet field feed, one windrow at a time. Welcome to the Field Kitchen. Stay tuned. This is just the appetizer. The full recipe series is coming to your hayfield soon.